Needless to say, I've become very intimate with this radiator. So, going on a trip on the weekend, and the last time I rode, quad was overheating, and now you can obviously see why. Like, the majority of the fins are all messed up. It's because I got a bunch of mud on there, and then when I pressure washed it, I got it too close, and it literally just pushed all these fins over. So I don't have time to buy another radiator, and I still think this one is salvageable. So I'm going in with a little screwdriver, which is going to take forever. I also have a dental pick, so I'm going to go in there and just kind of separate the fins out. I did order a radiator comb from Amazon. It's supposed to get delivered today, but it isn't here yet. So I'm going to do a couple rows with the screwdriver, and I'll do some rows when the comb comes, and then I'll let you know how that works out. But I mean, the screwdriver and the dental pick work great. I mean, great meaning it works. It's obviously slow because you got to go into every single one and pull it out. Some of them are worse than others, like this one. And that one ripped. So, yeah. So, lesson to all y'all. If your radiator gets caked with mud, be careful when you're cleaning it. I would do a radiator leak. I would do a radiator relocation kit because I do go in mud a lot, but I don't want to lose my top box because I use this a lot. So, stuck with this for now until somebody comes up with, it'd be nice if there's a super low profile one or one that you could still utilize the box. I know somebody else online or someone else on YouTube's done one where you can kind of utilize the box, but not really. I don't know. We'll look into it. But for now, this is what it looks like. And then I will let you know how the comb works and everything when I get it. But you can see I did this whole center section. And it's working out well. It's just tedious work. So we got this kit from Amazon. Comes with 2 bristly brushes. They're pretty firm. This little guy, that you move this and it adjusts how far these things fan out. So if you push it down here, it'll fan out more when you stick it in there and rake it. And then a ring of all these different size little combs. So we'll try this out. Good old Amazon. Not sure it'll work, as well as the dental pick thing and a little mini flathead. Well, I know this stuff's for like home air conditioners and stuff like that, but it doesn't really do anything for me. Supposed to push them open. Looks like I'm doing it by hand. We'll definitely be buying another radiator to replace this one, but I don't have time right now because we're going this weekend. So lesson learned. Make sure you got your stuff in order before you go on a trip. I'm sure it'll be fine. Make sure you don't bend the fins on your radiator, and if you buy a kit from Amazon to straighten them out, probably not going to work out too well. So just get a little mini flathead and or a dental pick and start straightening by hand. And when I get a new radiator, there we go, more content. So if you want to see a new radiator go in this thing, like and subscribe. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. Alright, she is done. Needless to say, I've become very intimate with this radiator. Again, this kit really didn't work out. This tool worked perfectly when you have a very bent fin. And then this guy worked well when it wasn't super bent. We can kind of just get it in there, push up, push down, just kind of separate the fins out a little bit. So I would say we're good to go. Again, I'm no professional here, but I shined light behind it. You could see through all the fins. I blew some compressed air through there just to check it out, and then I'm going to probably rinse it with some water because there was some dirt tucked up in these coils up here, or fins up here. So I just want to make sure it's nice and clean. Again, doesn't look the prettiest, but I'm pretty sure it's going to function well until I get a new replacement. Like these areas here that look flat, they're not. They're just kind of bent coils. Why do I keep saying coils? They're just bent fins, like slightly bent. All right, folks, that is it. Later.